Qalhat LNG is a medium-sized company. Our business is in selling liquefied natural gas called LNG. And we have about 65 employees in the company. And we basically have a global customer base, and we sell our product from Far East to Europe. The key challenge for us is to get the information, the data about performance of our business in real time without having to wait till end of the quarter or end of the month. And also because our workforce is always outside over the globe chasing deals and customers, we need to be able to execute activities, basic work activities, without being in the office. So things like issuing or approving purchase orders or transactions. We won't have our workforce always in the office to do the paperwork, and we need to be able to do those activities remotely. We started our journey with Oracle about 5 years ago. We followed an incremental approach. So initially we went with Oracle Financials, and we did a successful implementation. Over a period of 6 months we went live and all our accounts were in Oracle Financials. And then after that, the next phase, we added Oracle HRMS.
We went for the basic core purchasing, and we wanted everything in that. And we didn't know that it will meet our demands. But after with our partner Kimji Ramdas and speaking with Evosys, the technical team, and trying to see whether all our current processes can be implemented on Oracle purchasing core module. And it turned out to be very successful, that we managed to get everything in the core.
With the introduction of Oracle, the transparency of information is very clear. So the employees basically will get all the data they need for them to make a decision. And they don't have to chase different bits and pieces of paper across the organization. The time saving that we achieved by implementing Oracle is tremendous. Because our company is medium-sized with only 65 employees, there's no room to waste any efforts. So with Oracle implementation, basically our workforce can execute activities at more efficient routes, and that allow them actually to focus on real core business deals without having to do a lot of processing work and bureaucratic processes. And with just one look at the screen, they can look at all the data, all the variables, and then make a decision very smoothly and very efficiently.
Oracle is very user-friendly, and it's very easy to track information in the system. So all you need to know where to go and few screens, and you can get all the information. For example, let's say there is a requisition in the system. I want to know what is the status of it, whether it's with whom. I can get that status immediately. And also in the purchasing, purchase order, where is it, in which approval, is it in the approval process, with whom it's lying with, how many days it's lying with. To that details we can get all from the system.
In terms of the purchasing module, all the data that you need to make a purchase decision is available within the module, so the tendering results are all there on the screen, and you can straight away look at it and say, okay, this is the lowest bidder, and you just press a button and you release a purchase order. Oracle is really core to our business because it allows us to run our processes efficiently and without physically being in our offices.